Artificial intelligence is no longer the future of music. It's here. Intuitive AI isn't just helping artists make music, it's making music itself. From viral songs created by computers to AI-generated voices mimicking real stars like Drake or Ariana Grande, the question has become impossible to ignore. Will musicians eventually be replaced by machines? Let's break down what's really happening. The technology, the controversy, and the future of human creativity in a world where your next favorite song might not have a soul behind it. The birth of AI-generated music began as a novelty, but in 2025 it's become a legitimate industry. Platforms like Suno, Udio, and Mubert let anyone create studio-quality tracks in seconds. No instruments, no producers, no studios. Just type, make a pop song like Billie Eilish meets The Weeknd, and seconds later, a new song is born. Some creators use AI to generate ideas or background music. Others are building entire virtual artists, complete with AI vocals, faces, and personalities. The result? Thousands of AI-generated songs are flooding Spotify and YouTube every single day. The copyright crisis, but here's where things get complicated. In 2023, an anonymous creator released Heart on My Sleeve, an AI track using cloned voices of Drake and The Weeknd. It went viral, racking up millions of plays before it was banned. Fast forward to 2025, and the industry still hasn't figured out who owns what. If an AI uses Drake's voice, but not his lyrics or music, is it theft or tribute? Should the AI developer get paid, or the artist being cloned? Record labels and lawmakers are scrambling to write new rules. Some countries, like the UK and Japan, now require AI training transparency, forcing companies to disclose whether their datasets included copyrighted songs. But for many musicians, it's already too late. Their sound is out there, copied by algorithms. The human versus machine debate, so can AI really replace musicians? In some areas, yes. It's faster, cheaper, and never needs sleep. AI can write lyrics, compose melodies, even produce entire albums. But it lacks one thing, authentic emotion. A human artist's pain, joy, and lived experience can't be synthesized. Not yet. That's why songs like Someone Like You or Bohemian Rhapsody still move people decades later. As one producer put it, AI can make music, but humans make meaning. That's the difference, and it's why real musicians won't disappear. They'll just evolve. The hybrid era, the most successful artists in 2025 aren't fighting AI, they're collaborating with it. Producers use AI to generate chord progressions, test vocal harmonies, or master mixes in minutes. Rappers use it to write hooks faster. Indie creators use it to sound like major label pros without a $10,000 budget. AI is becoming the new instrument, like the electric guitar in the 60s or the synthesizer in the 80s. And just like those revolutions, it's creating new genres, new careers, and new ways to monetize creativity. The winners won't be those who resist technology, but those who learn to use it artistically. The business side, who owns AI music? AI is also changing the business side of the industry. Major record labels are now investing in AI music startups instead of fighting them. Warner Music, Universal, and Sony are developing ethical AI music models trained only on licensed data. Meanwhile, startups like Endless, Soundful, and Amper Music are turning AI music into a subscription service, the Canva for sound. And with Web3 and NFTs, artists can now tokenize AI-assisted songs, proving authorship and ownership on the blockchain. This fusion of AI and blockchain could become the foundation for music's next economic model. So, will AI replace musicians? Not the great ones. It will replace lazy creativity, but it will amplify the true innovators. The music business isn't dying, it's transforming. And those who adapt will thrive in this hybrid age of human and machine collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me below. Would you listen to an AI-generated artist if the music was good?